Hey guys, let's get ready. We are going to start with eyebrows. I'm using the Beauty UK Eyebrow Pencil in the shade grey. I'm going to outline the shape of my brows and then we are going to fill in the gaps. Next, I am using the Beauty UK All-in-One Brow Definition Kit using a thin angled brush and apply the brow wax that helps to keep the hair in place, and the powder sticks on better too. I am mixing the dark and the light shade to match the shade of my brow hair, and I am filling the whole brow in and blending it in. Don't worry if it gets messy because you are going to clean that up. So now I'm happy with the shape. I get the concealer and clean all the mess up. My next step is to cover up the horrible spots that I get from wearing a face mask using the green shade from the Beauty UK color correcting palette. Just apply directly on the spots. I also like to use the concealer to increase the coverage, and then I blend everything in using my stippling brush. After that is foundation. I like to use a stippling brush to apply my foundation. I am using the Beauty UK Matte FX foundation in the shade Fair. Make sure your foundation blends well with your neck. I'm using concealer to cover up the black circles under my eyes. I like to use a concealer that is slightly lighter than my foundation shade. For natural looks, I like to contour using a bronzer. I am using the Beauty UK matte bronzer in the shade medium. I also like to contour my chin, or actually to hide my double chin. For blush, I am using the Beauty UK blush and brush in the shade Rustic Peach. Just get a soft brush and put it on the high points of your cheeks. Next, I'm going to line my lips using the Beauty UK Twist lip liner in the shade Code Red. My favorite lipstick shade is currently red. I am using Lips Matter in the shade Radical Red by Beauty UK. I love the matte finish and the staying power of this liquid lipstick. Here I am using a soft blending brush to apply the darkest brown shade of the Posh palette Eden. I apply it in the crease and then blend it out by circular motions. Next, I'm applying the golden shimmer shade from the same palette using my finger. I always like to use a finger for my shimmer shades because the color payoff is much better. And next I'm using the same brush I have used for the brown shade, but with no product on it, and just apply it along the bottom lash line. Now I am lining my eyes using the Beauty UK Twist eyeliner in black along the waterline. And the last step is mascara. I am using the Beauty UK Define FX Mascara. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. Please excuse the faces I pulled. And here's the finished look in a better lighting. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you guys later.